today's lesson, we're going to go over an alternate fingering for the A chord and a few more strum patterns that use 16th notes and apply them to songs like Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd and Back in Black by AC/DC. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're going to get started with a variation on the rock ballad strum. We're going to do 2 root notes on the first 2 downstrokes, like so. Okay, so let's put the capo on the 3rd fret and apply that strum pattern to Hey Jude. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we'll apply the same strum pattern to the chorus part for Hey Jude. And on the first bar, we're going to go like this. So we'll do the root notes on 1 and 3 and. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now this next strum pattern is featured in songs like Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd, and it has a quarter note strum on beats 1 and 3, and an 8th note followed by 2 16th notes on beats 2 and 4. So it'll sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a. All right, now let's apply that strum pattern to the chord progression for Simple Man. Now on beats 1 and 2, we have a C chord, and then on beats 3 and 4, we have a G chord. And in the second bar, the A minor is for all 4 beats. All right, so it'll sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a. All right, now try playing it along with me. We're going to go a little slower. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and a. All right, now this last example is the verse part for Back in Black by AC/DC. And before we get started, I want to show you a simplified way to play the A major chord. So what I do here is I push down the first finger behind the second frets of the fourth, third, and second strings. And this is called a bar. So the first finger is going to push down all three of those strings. And usually what I do is I make sure that it touches the first string but doesn't push down. So you want to mute the first string. And then you pick from the fifth string down to the second string. Okay, so let's try that a couple times. All right, so that's the A major, and I'm going to use it in this next example. All right, so we're going to have a staccatoed quarter note on beats 1 and 3, and an eighth rest followed by two 16th notes on beats 2 and 4. And then in the second bar, we're going to have a staccatoed quarter note followed by 3 beats of rest. All right, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try it together just a little slower. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. All right, very nice job today. So hop on over to the Practice Buddy and we'll go over everything we covered in today's lesson, and we'll also do a review of all the chords we covered in the last 2 levels. All right, have fun, and I will see you next time.